Hi guys. Yes, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. Every time I try to start a video, it seems like somebody calls me or somebody comes over and I have to keep shutting down. That's what happened to me the other day. I went to make one. So it is now 10 till 6 in the morning. Nobody should call me and nobody should be coming over. I've got like 10 minutes before I start my car. That's why I have my coat on. It's freezing. And yeah, it's cold in here. Okay, today is Thursday, January the 19th. And I want to start something, a new adventure. I don't know how this is going to go, but I didn't want to unbox this until I could do a video on it. GOLO. I know you've all seen the commercials. I was working one day and there was a patient, they came in, it was an older guy and he was really heavy. He had a huge stomach and he was a real heavy guy. And he had lost a bunch of weight. And I had asked his wife about it and she said he was doing the GOLO. And I asked her about it and different things. So I checked it out online and I had it in my cart so many times before I finally bought it. Now I got 3 bottles for $120. One bottle was like $59.95. 2 was it $79 or something like that? And I thought, well, gee whiz, if you get 3, it's a lot cheaper. I have waited almost 2 weeks for this. That's the only bad thing I have to say about it so far. I could not believe how long it took to get this. I've waited and waited and waited. I've tracked it and the tracking was not very good. And it said it would come tomorrow, but it was on my porch today. So if you are going to order this, make sure that you give yourself plenty of time, especially if you're running out, to get this stuff. Because considering it took 2 weeks, apparently it came from California. So I have not opened this up. The only thing I did was take off the tape because you know how bad I am with taking tape off. So I'm going to open this up and this is what it looks like. It looks like a booklet. So it says GOLO for life, get healthier, lose weight, and keep it off with GOLO. So this is some kind of a booklet and it has to do with food too. Now I am a picky eater. I am so picky. I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know if it'll work for me because I do not eat healthy food. I don't like fruits, vegetables, salads. I don't like any of that stuff. So we shall see. Now this says the GOLO Smart Card. And I'm not sure. I might take this stuff to work and kind of look at it because I did not have time last night to do anything. Okay, this is about the ingredients. It must be in the pills. This talks about the bottles. Okay, and then here's the bottle. So I don't know anything about this. I don't know how it works. Now the patient's wife told me something about you can take 2 pills with each meal or you can take 1 pill, depends on what you want to do. I'm just kind of looking through this. I didn't feel good last night. I had a really bad stomach ache, so I didn't know if I would try it today. I don't think I'm going to start it today. Let's see. It says follow the plan for life. No need to count calories or points, cut carbs or fat. They recommend 2 proteins, 1 carbohydrate, 2 vegetables, and 1 fat. Of course, I love carbohydrates. So, and I don't like, I can eat corn and peas and beans. And they're telling you about what proteins and carbohydrates and all that stuff does. I just kind of want to know what pills you eat. What do you do with these pills? Oh, wow, look at this. Well, I got cats right here. They're shaking my thing. Foods you should eliminate. Come on, guys. All diet products. Oh, my thing is going down. I'm trying to do this quick before I have to go out and start my car. Fast food, fried meals, deli meats, processed cheese, breads, pastas, desserts, chips, crackers, processed oils, margarine or butter, dressings, and condiments. Now, I'm still going to drink Diet Pop. I do at work. It says don't drink pop. Sports drinks, juices, and other beverages. Oh my gosh. I would be like eating nothing if I did something like this with the way I am a plain eater. So what do you do? Talking about food prep. I don't even cook. I eat microwave stuff. Okay, how it works. You will still eat 3 balanced meals, but will eliminate refined grains and red meat for a week. I don't know about that. Now, I am eating out a lot this weekend. It's my daughter's birthday, my boyfriend's birthday, and my nephew's birthday, all in 1 week. So already Sunday we're eating out. And probably eat something out Monday. Let's see. Sunday we're eating out for my daughter, whose birthday is Monday. And then I'll have to do something for my boyfriend's birthday, which is Sunday. And then we're going to eat out next weekend for my nephew's birthday. So I don't know how this fits in it. Let me look at a bottle here real quick. 90 capsules. What does it say? I can't. These are my old glasses. Serving size 1 capsule. But I don't know what you do though. Well, okay, here you go. 1 capsule at the beginning or during each meal 3 times a day, or as directed by your healthcare professional. So here, they're dropping all my stuff here. So for me, I think I'm basically going to, now I don't have groceries. I am almost out of groceries because I haven't went to Walmart, and I don't always have time during lunch to get my stuff. Our office has a very small, teeny tiny, like a mini fridge, which I can't put too much in it. So let me check my time. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to get groceries today. I might be able to get a few things tomorrow. No. Tomorrow at lunch, because I'll have about 45 minutes. But I'll have to see what I can do Saturday about getting some groceries. But I don't know. What I thought I would do is maybe get some Oscar Mayer deli lunch meat, which it says no processed meat, but I gotta have something. I can't help it, I'm a picky eater. So I thought I would just have sandwiches. But I've done that before. But I don't know. I'll just have to wing it with these pills. I just didn't want to take anything today knowing that I didn't feel good last night, and tomorrow, I don't know. And since I'm going to eat out, maybe I should start next week. So I don't think there's any point of me starting these pills and wasting them if I'm going to be eating a bunch of crap. So we're going to have birthday cake. I'm going to have to get 2 birthday cakes and all this food we're going to eat this weekend. So I really think I will start doing it next week. Maybe not Monday because that's his birthday. Maybe Tuesday next week I can start. I don't usually eat breakfast. I do eat something for lunch at work and of course at night. So I'm gonna have to really think this over, how I'm gonna start doing this. I've already been cutting out M&Ms because I love M&Ms and I eat them all the time. My mouth is so dry. I am so dry. It's just horrible here. I definitely have to drink more water for sure. But yeah, so I wanted to open this up with you guys. It's probably showing up backwards, I don't know. So this is a box that came in. It was just sitting on my porch. and you saw the stuff in there. So I'm just gonna try to do my own thing, I think, since I'm not gonna follow any diet and I'm not gonna be cooking. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna have to wait till next week because I just don't, these are too expensive to kind of waste them. So yeah, I'm gonna start next week. So okay, that is my quick video. Glad I am back. Thanks for my I saw I got a couple of new subscribers. Woohoo! Yay! Thank you guys. So yeah, I've been wanting to do a few videos, but like I said, every time I do it, I get something happens and I have to scrap the video. Let's see, is it time to start the car? Yep, 5:59. I'm gonna have to go out there. I think it's covered with ice. That's why I'm starting it early. So, okay, guys, thanks for watching. If any of you guys have tried GOLO, comment and let me know how you do it. Tell me if it works or not. It sure worked for that patient that I saw because it was 2 months since I've seen him, and wow, he had really changed. So I'm really looking forward to starting this stuff, but I'm gonna have to start next week. Too much eating out this weekend. So okay, guys, I will talk to you soon.